It's a scent that might not appeal to every animal. But it's very attractive to carrion flies. 1 meter across, it's the world's biggest flower. And this one is a male. From its centre comes the pungent odour of death. It's a scent that might not appeal to every animal. But it's very attractive to carrion flies. They lay their eggs on rotting flesh. The scent lures the fly deep into the flower in search of meat. The fly finds nothing. The Rafflesia, however, has the fly exactly where it wants it. It's stuck pollen to the fly's back. If this male Rafflesia's strategy is to work, the fly carrying its pollen must now visit a female corpse flower. Such as this one. Success.